Hi everyone, blessed be. And I thought what I would do for this season, for obviously the winter, Christmassy, Yule season, is get myself a crystal advent calendar and then open it for you guys each day and show you what I find inside. So this is one I picked up and it's got 24 crystals in, and I got it from Amazon. The only damage it had was it got a little nick in the box during delivery, but that's fine. All the crystals are in there, and I've checked as well to make sure that they are genuine crystals. So I'm going to show you what I got. So let's find number one, because obviously today is the 1st of December. And I thought this might just be like a nice one to do for the Yule period. So a little bit more little videos of me opening these. So let's open number one. And number one is a little quartz. Oh, I like this one. And as you can see, it's a decent size. I'm not sponsored or anything, by the way. I have bought this with my own money. This cost me... How much did it cost? Is it 30 quid? I think it was 30 quid for this one. I'll put the price in the description box. And that's a decent sized little tumbled quartz. So I'm pleased with that. So I've got a quartz for day one. And then what I'm going to do is as I open each of these, I'll show you what I've got. I'll speak to you about the meanings or what you can use the crystal for, and then obviously at the end I'll show you the entire collection. So quartz crystal is a universal stone. You can use it for any purpose. You just ignore my fingers, I've been dyeing my hair. That's hair dye on my hands. And I cut my finger, but that's not going to come off, it's hair dye, so don't worry about that. But yeah, quartz crystal, it's a universal crystal. You can program it for any purpose you want. You can use it as like a health talisman. You can use it as a protective stone. You can use it for prosperity workings. You can use it for absolutely anything, as long as you have obviously programmed the crystal, let the crystal know what you want, the purpose you want to use it for. So what I tend to do if I'm going to use a crystal for a purpose, I'll place it in my hand. I'll place my hand over the top of it, and I'll focus on the intention that I want, like what I want this crystal to help me with. And I'll just imagine that I'm filling the crystal with my energy and that intention, and letting, you know, it knows what I want to do and what I would like it to help me with. And to cleanse a crystal first before you use it, I tend to use air. So I'll go and I'll blow all around it 3 times, and I'll say, I cleanse this crystal with the element of air, blow on it, cleanse this crystal with the element of air, blow on it, repeat that one more time, and then go, so mote it be. So I can use it in my practice, so mote it be. And then I'll do the thing where I hold it in my hand and say what I want to use it for. And yeah, so good one for a start, can be used for anything, and it's very good for healing as well. I've found quite successful workings with quartz. Now you might say, oh, it's just placebo effect. Well, even if it is placebo effect, if it works, what's the harm? For me personally, having that positive thought and the object to focus on with that positive thought really helps me during the day. So yeah, so there you go. Use for quartz crystal, and that's for day one of my advent calendar. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.